To remove the clutch on this Chinese branded chainsaw without the specific tool. I'm going to start with removing the spark plug. I'm going to then put some rope in the head. And give a slight pull on the pulley to start. And this tells you on this one the direction to remove it. There's an arrow scribed in it. So we need to strike this clockwise. I'm going to use this large pin punch and give it one strike with a hammer. See, that's come straight free. Just be mindful of how it came off when you're putting it back. And these have got to key in place with this side. You better see if you've got it in correctly. That's it. And your washer. And obviously it's going to go the opposite way. I'm just going to give it another tap with the pin punch, but not as hard this time, just to nip it up. That's plenty. And remove the rope. That's fine as that, and I'm going to put the spark plug back in. And just nip that up. And then that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. If there's any questions or any advice you need, please put them in the comments.